Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So sometimes cheating is required for the less intelligent class of man. But we are not cheating. We are very simple. Why should we cheat? Krishna says, Manvana bhava mad bhakta mad jati mang namaskuru. So, we say, please come here. Here is Krishna. And you simply think of him. What is the difficulty? Here is Radha Krishna, and if you daily see, naturally you will have impression within your mind about Radha and Krishna. So at any place, anywhere you can think of Radha and Krishna. What is the difficulty? Manvana. You chant Hare Krishna. As soon as you chant Krishna, immediately you remember the form of Krishna in the temple, Ram Roop. Then you are hearing about Krishna, you remember about his qualities, his activities, Nam, Guna, Roop, Lila, Parikar, Vaishya. In this way, this you can practice. What is the difficulty? This is the beginning of practice. Actually Krishna is there. But because I have no eyes to see Krishna, I am thinking, where is Krishna? It is a stone statue. But he does not know the stone is also Krishna. Stone is also Krishna. Water is also Krishna. Earth is also Krishna. Air is also Krishna. Without Krishna, there is no other existence. That the devotee can see. Therefore, whenever he sees stone, he sees Krishna. Here the atheist will say that you are worshipping stone, but they are not worshipping stone, they are worshipping Krishna because they know that there is nothing else except Krishna. Premanjana Charita Bhakti Viroja. That stage we have to arrive. How you can say stone is not Krishna? Krishna says, you have to understand, Krishna, as Krishna says, the Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita, Mamayra Panala Vayu, Kamamana Buddhiri Vacha, Vindami Prakriti Astadha, their mind, just like I am speaking, it is being recorded, and will replay, the same sound will come. And he'll know that here is our spiritual master. But I am not there. This sound is now different from me. Bhinna. Bhinna means separated. But as soon as the record is played, everyone will know here is Bhakti-Vedanta Swami. If you know, so that requires education. That Krishna so the more you engage yourself in Krishna's service, the more you can realize Krishna. Sevan mukhi jivadu same vastu. So our process is very simple. Simply engage your tongue. Leave aside all other senses. The tongue is very strong. And tongue is our bitterest enemy. And tongue can be your most intimate friend. This tongue. Therefore the Shastra says that Sevanmukhi hi jivadu, just engage your tongue in the service of the Lord, and he will be very nice. Now what we do with the tongue? We talk. talk of Krishna. We sing, chant of Krishna. We eat, taste. I eat Krishna Prasad. You will understand Krishna. Any foolish person, any uneducated or any position of life, you can use your tongue for Krishna's sake. Don't eat anything which is not eaten by Krishna. Your tongue becomes your most intimate friend. And don't talk anything except Krishna. If you follow these two principles, Krishna is within your grip. Thank you very much.